Hello and welcome to Activepieces. This is Abdul and today I'm going to show you how to create an automation flow which will send a Slack message and an email once a new person is added on Pipedrive. So to start off, head to demo.activepieces.com/signup and fill in the form and then click sign up to do so. After you've signed up, you'll be redirected to the dashboard where you can start building your own first flow. Now let's start building. First, let's select the Pipedrive trigger step, select the new person trigger, and authenticate your Pipedrive account. Now let's add a Slack action step by hitting add and then Slack and selecting the send Slack message action and fill in the form. At the end of my Slack message, I'd like to append the name of the person that was added on Pipedrive. So I'll click this and then go to name. Now let's add a Gmail action step by hitting add and then going to Gmail and selecting the send email action, and let's fill in the form. Now that we're done, let's test our flow. And as you can see, everything ran successfully. So we're ready to publish our collection. Now let's test our flow with a real-life example. I'm going to add a person with the name of John Doe on my Pipedrive account and hit save. As you can see, I've received a message on Slack saying that, and if I refresh my Gmail, I'm going to receive the email that was sent to me. And that's it.